Hi everyone. So there's this particular arc I came across few weeks ago, and it has changed my views a lot, and I felt like I need to let you guys know about it because it has been wonderful, and trust me, it has skyrocketed my views a lot, and I'm going to show you in a bit. So make sure you guys subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell for more updates from this channel, and I will show you guys in a bit. So let's dive into the tutorial. So like I said the other time, that I'll be showing you guys how you can actually do this in a bit. So I'll be showing you guys how you can do that in a bit. As you can see, my views actually skyrocket from this that you can see to this in just a matter of days. I mean days. So now I'll be showing you guys how you can achieve the same thing. How you can achieve the same thing. You will see that a lot of people on YouTube, within days or minutes of uploading their videos, they have a lot of views. And we as a small YouTuber, there's a way that you have to go through this and achieve the same thing that they achieve. So guys, let me show you. So what you have to do is that you come down to your settings. As you can see, this is my channel. Then you come down to where you have your settings and you click on the settings. So when you click on the settings, the first thing I want you to understand when you come to the settings is that what I want you to know when you come down to your settings is that you have to set the right currency. If you are in US, set your US, and if you are in any other country, set it. So I'm in Nigeria, and I'm going to set it in USD, US dollars. But that's not where we're actually going. Where we are going is channel, and this is the place that you have to. This is where your settings start from. So choose your country of residence. I'm in Nigeria, so I'll choose Nigeria. And the next thing you have to do is what? Is to make sure that, and the next thing that you have to do is to make sure that you add relevant keywords. You add keywords that are pertaining to what you're doing on YouTube. That is what you're going to add. And let me show you how you can get these things, how you can get this keyword in a minute. So what you have to do is to come to YouTube itself. So let's search for youtube.com then. Come to YouTube. So when you get to YouTube, search for people that are doing what you're doing on YouTube. Just search for people that are doing what you're doing on YouTube. Let's say, for example, Neil Patel, or all the big YouTubers in your niche. You understand it? The big YouTubers in your niche. So just come down to your search bar on YouTube and search for, let's say, for example, Neil Patel. So search for Neil Patel. So let's search for Neil Patel. So when you get to Neil Patel, you go to their description. So when you get to their description, you are going to see some. So when you get to their description, you are going to see some keywords that you can add on your own. You are going to see some keywords that you can add for yourself. So this is where you're going to get keywords that you can add for yourself. As you can see, what Neil Patel deals with is digital marketing. Neil Patel deals with digital marketing, or so this is where you get your keywords. You see that it deals with real digital marketing. So these are where you get keywords that you're going to add in your keyword pack in this place. Do you understand? So you add your keywords right here, one after the other. You add it one after the other right here. So if you've gotten digital marketing, you add it, then you search for another person, you add it one by one. Keywords that are actually pertaining to what you have right here. Keywords that are pertaining to what you have and what you're doing are those keywords that you're going to add in this particular place. And that is how you can actually, and you save after doing that, and that is how you can actually achieve. So I applied this strategy I was talking about. I applied it on this particular video, And if you see the analytics, if you check through the analytics and you check through the reach, you will discover that my reach skyrocket from this place, as you can see. So I have 8.4k reach, 8.4k reach, and I have unique viewers of 641. So that means if you actually apply this on your channel right now, you will start having great views. I mean, great views on your channel, and this is how you can move from year to year on your YouTube and start making a lot of money. So we've come to the end of the tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this. And if you have any other things you want me to talk about, make sure you drop it in the comment section and I will attend to it immediately. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.